All right, so Valentine's Day just around the corner, and if you're thinking, ooh, I have not quite gotten it all together, Amy E. Goodman, lifestyle journalist, is here with some great ideas. You always have fantastic ideas, and what are your top ones? Take us through it, Amy.
Yeah, so first we want to start off with a really cute gift you can give to your family or your neighbors, and it's called the Cupid Struck Cocoa. You get a mason jar. I got this like little cup thing for $1 at the store that costs $1, and it actually has 2 servings worth in it. So you're going to put 6 scoops of your favorite cocoa in here. Then we're going to make the Cupid's bow. So you take a small skewer. I've added to this some strawberry shaped marshmallows, really sweet. Now you can either cut off the top of the skewer or add a little heart gummy on top for safety, and then you simply place it inside of your mug. To this, you can add additionally some little sprinkles or of course, those are heart-shaped too, and some fun mini marshmallows for additional color. And you give little instructions to say, don't forget to add 12 ounces of your favorite liquid. That can be hot water, oat milk, soy milk, almond milk, your favorite flavor.
I love that. That's so yummy, and it's so easy, and you could go out and get it right now and still look like you were thinking about this for weeks and weeks in advance, which is perfect. All right, beauty stuff next.
Yeah, this is a DIY kisser scrub that my son and I made together. It's literally made out of brown sugar, manuka honey, and coconut oil. These are ingredients I happen to have around in my home. It in these cute, tiny little emoji-faced heart-shaped containers that I got from the craft store. Honestly, you can use any container that you might have in order to gift it to those you love. And it's great because right now my lips are really, really feeling it. It's a great way to exfoliate that's all natural.
And it's great. You could make a kind of a big box or a big batch, I should say, and then spread the love to lots of folks too. I love this next one, this next idea too, though, because it goes for people who may not like sweets or may not need beauty products, but it's really personal.
We love the alternative of giving the gift of reading. So perhaps you have some books that you've been meaning to give to somebody that you love. Maybe you have seen this trend on Instagram where you have some stampers that are placed on the spines of books. Here we did it ourselves. So I literally used my printer, used the American typewriter font, this is printer paper, wrapped it around the books, stacked them up, and just secured it with some raffia, some ribbon, or some yarn. Here we have it say, love you today, tomorrow, and forever. And
Oh,
always.
so sweet, so sweet. Going back to food, because food is always great. Cupcakes, this idea I thought was so simple, but I've never thought of it. And I was thinking to myself, well, I should have thought of that, but it's easier said than done.
It's mind-blowingly simple, actually. So we're going to make heart-shaped cupcakes, and you can use it doing a regular cupcake paper holder and a ball of aluminum foil. So simply after you put in your cupcake mix, you drop the balls behind it, right behind it, and it creates like a heart shape. So here you see my heart-shaped cupcakes. Some of them looked a little bit like kitty cats, but I'm showing you my best examples today of the beautiful heart shapes, emphasized by the frosting, and then it's delicious. Eat and go.
Oh, those are so good. You can leave those for your friends. You can give them to your neighbors, but you also have one last idea that is great for your neighbors. Like, I think this idea is so awesome too, because it just makes us all feel a little neighborly or connects us in ways that we can't be connected these days quite yet.
Yes, this is my Spread the Love wreath, which I created with a foam donut, if you will. I spray painted that gold. You can skip that step if you want. And then using various cardstock papers that I already had around the house, I used some large hearts, 7 of them. And in between the gaps of those large hearts, we did the small hearts to fill the gap. And to give it a bit of dimension, I added a tiny bit of cardboard to give it a little lift on the small hearts. So you can see here you have this beautiful array of colors. And I just say you can take this, hang it on a doorbell, and then hang it on the doorknob, ring the doorbell of your neighbor, and what a sweet surprise.
Yeah, your little Valentine's Day doorbell ditch-ish, sort of. And it's good because usually we're giving out Valentine's Day cards to our kids, are doing it for lots of people and they can't do it these days. That's a great way to give them an activity while they're at home and also spread the love. Amy Goodman, lifestyle journalist, you always have the best ideas. We appreciate it so much. Happy Valentine's Day to you.
Yes, lots of love to everybody there. Take care.